Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to best use vitamin C serum. To begin, understand that vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, crucial for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. It effectively combats environmental damage and helps to even out skin tone, reducing the appearance of dark spots. For optimal benefits, integrate it into your daily routine, applying it consistently each morning. This dedicated approach ensures your skin receives the full spectrum of its protective and brightening properties. When selecting a vitamin C serum, prioritize formulations with L-ascorbic acid, the most effective form, at a concentration between 10 and 20%. This range offers significant benefits without excessive irritation. Ensure the product comes in dark, opaque, and airtight packaging, like a pump bottle, to protect the delicate ingredient from light and air. Look for serums that include complementary antioxidants such as vitamin E or ferulic acid for enhanced stability. For optimal absorption, apply your vitamin C serum to freshly cleansed and completely dry skin each morning. Dispense just 3 to 5 drops onto your fingertips, then gently press and smooth it evenly over your entire face and neck. Allow it a minute or two to fully absorb before proceeding with the next steps in your skincare routine. Always follow with a hydrating moisturizer and, critically, a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin and maximize the serum's benefits. Proper storage is vital to maintain your vitamin C serum's potency. Always keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures, which can accelerate its degradation. Pay close attention to its appearance. If the serum changes color from clear or light yellow to a dark orange or brown, it has likely oxidized and lost its effectiveness, so it's time to replace it. Typically, an opened serum remains potent for about 3 to 6 months, depending on the formulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.